Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching.
Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Today we're back on the Chevelle, and it's time to cut the trunk floor out, replace it with the panel that we fixed up a couple weeks ago. We're going to be just plasma cutting out the main sections, and then I'll go through and drill out all of the spot welds, and maybe cut them out with a grinder, just depends where they're at. I want to salvage the wheel tubs and stuff like that. Even though we're going to be replacing them, it'll help me for initially to go ahead and get the new floor pan lined up with the body. Once I have it tack welded in place, then I can cut the wheel tubs out and put the widened tubs in. So I've already got the bracing in. I'll show you some pictures of that real quick, and then start cutting. Back here you can see I put a brace between the hinge mounts for the trunk lid hinge, and then off of that bar I ran some diagonals to a bar that I've got over here next to the taillights, and all that's just to keep everything square once I start cutting stuff out. I added 2 diagonal bars here off of the trunk lid hinge mount bar that I put in, and they come back to this cross member that I put in probably 3 or 4 or 5 months ago when I started work on the trunk, or on the So I have everything plasma cut out that I can. Next up is I've got to start drilling out all the spot welds. And there are, this flange here that's left, I need to get rid of it so that I can test fit my new panel. And there are spot welds in here. Well, this particular panel on both sides is going to get replaced. It's got rust holes all in it. And but I need it in place, because eventually the quarter panel is going to get replaced. So I want to do this one step at a time. Don't want to just cut the whole back of the car off and then try and figure out how it was. So I can, instead of having to drill all these out, what I can do is just take my air chisel and chisel them off. As long as I leave the shape right, I'm not going to be welding back to it. Maybe just a few clamps here and there. On the other hand, where this flange is at, the tail panel is good. And so all of these have to be drilled out across and unfortunately they've got to come from the bottom side. So a lot of overhead drilling. Additionally, right here are about 30 spot welds, and this panel is good shape, but I need to get rid of all of this metal because, and I don't have to do this one right away, but when I get ready to pull that wheel tub out, all of these have to be drilled out. This brace does have to go ahead and be pulled out, and all of these welds will be drilled from the bottom side. So quite a bit of drilling to go here, and some grinding. Get the chisel out, chisel off a lot of these, clean it up just enough to go ahead and start test fitting our new panel. Hey guys, so I got the seam back here welded on the outside, and now it's time. You can see there's quite a bit of rust area in here, cleaned up as much as I can. And I think instead of welding these to this flat part the way the factory did it, because I intend to eventually kind of box this in to kind of close the trunk, one more area of the trunk in. I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is trim both of these off. There's actually a third one behind the camera here. Trim all these off and weld them just in from the lip here, bring them back just a little bit for that. They're just supports. This one obviously holds the trunk latch, but they're just supports that go down, so as long as they get tied in, that should be more than sufficient. And then, like I said, I plan to eventually bring some kind of wall in here that would hide wiring and all that kind of stuff.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.